All right, welcome into the show. Creative Crypto here. I have some important information and updates to share with you guys regarding the copy trading. So I'm going to try to make this quick because these are some important information to get out to you guys. And this is mainly to do with the wallet that I shared in the first video where I showed you guys how to find profitable wallets. This is the wallet that I shared publicly and showed you guys that I'm going to copy trade it, and this wallet is very profitable. And in a normal scenario, if you were to find this wallet yourself and you were the only one copy trading it, it would work a lot better because you would be the only wallet that is copy trading this. The problem that we're running into is we have a lot of people copy trading this wallet. I think someone in the comments said that there was potentially 30 or more people copy trading this wallet, which is having some adverse effects, which I'm going to show you guys right now. Okay, because the last day that they were making trades, we can see a couple of these that I'm going to show you on the charts. I'm going to show you what exactly is happening here. This has nothing to do with the copy trading bot. That technology works great. And this is to do with a bunch of people that are copy trading this that is causing this to have the issues. Okay, so let's look at a couple of these from yesterday. Okay, this token here, Meowdy. And I realized that you can click on this. And thank you for the person that told me I can just click on this in the comments. And it shows the details here to make it easier to look at. I appreciate you sharing that. So we look at this here. So they purchased 1.98 SOL for this coin here. And they sold it for 2.48. Okay, looks great. This other one here, purchased for 1.98 and sold it for about 2. So that's about a break even. And then we had a couple other ones over here. This Bowden's Cat one purchased for 9.9, sold for 17. Another one purchased 6.93, sold for 10. So those trades look great and they are profitable. So what is the issue? The issue is that there are multiple wallets copy trading this, and because of that, not everybody is getting these same results. And there are a number of reasons why. Mainly it's due to the slippage and the fact that this trader is moving the market with their buys and sells because of all the copy trades. And let me actually break this down on the charts and show it to you guys because I took screenshots of it last night to make it easier to track. Okay, so this was the first token, Meowdy. You can see right here is when the wallet that we are copy trading bought. You can see that it was a big wick up and then they took profits quickly. Okay, now the issue is because there's so many wallets copy trading this, we all are not able to get it at this price where the wallet enters. So because of the slippage that I had set, which was 50%, it was going up and we were buying more up here. And then when the wallet was taking profits, because it happened so fast and so many people are copy trading it, we aren't able to sell it up here. So we're getting it more down here because of the slippage as well. And it also depends on the gas settings that you have in your bot, because the higher gas will obviously get confirmed first. And this is causing an issue to where this wallet is making profitable trades. However, we are not able to share in those great trades on a few of these because of the fact that it's a low liquidity pair with low market cap. So any little swing can really change the price dramatically, and especially because so many wallets are copy trading this. So like I said, in a normal scenario, if you had found this wallet yourself and maybe only a couple people were copy trading this wouldn't be an issue and you would most likely be profiting from these trades, because I've profited on many trades that are like this. Okay, and let's look at this other one here. This is DFWC. Okay, right here is where the wallet purchased. Okay, big candle up, and then the wallet decided to take profits, so big candle down. Now, because I had the slippage set at 50%, it was initiating the buys at a 50% slippage because so many people are trying to pile in and copy the trade that I most likely got the buy up here, and then I wasn't able to get the sell up here. It's got the sell back down here for the slippage. And this is causing the trades to not be profitable when they should be profitable. And this isn't because of the trading bot or anything like that. It's solely because there are so many people trying to copy trade this. And it's, like I said, low liquidity, low market cap, and it's causing price swings to happen so fast. Because the wallet that we're copy trading is basically buying it and seeing that the coin literally pumps the second that he buys, he sells right away, and he takes his profit, but we aren't able to take ours as well. Now, there are probably a few people that are copy trading this wallet that have higher gas settings that could potentially get those profits. But for me and a lot of other people, I'm sure that that is not the case. Okay, this is the last one in the example here. This is Bowden's Cat. Now, this one, again, this is where the wallet entered the position. It had a huge run up here. And of course, because we had high slippage on this, that we're most likely buying up here versus down here because so many wallets are piling in here and is causing the issue. And then when the wallet sees it's in profit, it sells and we aren't able to capitalize and we're selling down here. So this is why I wanted to bring this to your guys' attention, because as fun as it was to find that wallet and copy trade it and see you guys copy trade along with me, I'm not sure this is the best route to take because these low market cap and low liquidity pairs just can't sustain so many buys and sells happening so rapidly. And that's really causing the main issue. I can show you here straight from the Trojan trading bot how, a few of these pairs, like even this one actually failed to send because the slippage was probably too high on that one. Okay, this is the other one where it was a 54% loss on that one. Okay, the cat one wasn't as bad, only 5%. Bowden's Cat was a minus 30%. And like I said, it's not due to the fact that the trader's making bad trades. The trader is making great trades. It's just that we have so many people that are doing this and copying this wallet that it's just not feasible for everybody to make the profit. It's just not possible. So what can we do about this, guys? Well, there's a few things I'm thinking of. And number one, I lowered the slippage to 30%. I originally put it back to 15%, but a lot of the trades weren't going through, even the buy trades. So what can we do moving forward here? Because we really want to continue to copy trade this wallet because it is a profitable wallet. However, so many people are doing this that it's really cutting into our profits. So what I was thinking of was trying to copy trade him for a day or so, possibly lowering my buy amount a little bit and disabling sells. So basically, it'll just buy the tokens that this trader buys, and then we can go in there and watch the tokens manually and sell those positions when we want. Now, of course, that's kind of takes away the passive side of this where it just does this passively and you don't have to really check anything. So I know some people might not like to try that, but this is really something that we could do. You could also lower the slippage even more to about 5% or so. Now, what that will do is that will not allow the bot to buy a coin that pumps too much because of all the people copy trading all at once. So if the slippage goes up too much, it's not going to buy it. And that could be potentially a good thing because then you're not going to lose money if you can't get the same price. However, it still will initiate a buy if the slippage is within range. So if the trader starts trading, higher cap market coin pairs, it will initiate those buys as long as the slippage isn't too high. Again, the only issue with that is we want to get in these coins early like this with the low market cap because that's where the potential profits are to be made. So in conclusion, guys, this is a big learning experience for me here because, like I said, as fun as this was to find this wallet randomly on the video and be able to share it with you guys to copy trade along with me, I just don't think long term that this is going to work for us. So what we're going to have to do is you're going to have to do your own research like I showed you how to do in the videos, and you're going to have to find other wallets to copy trade that no one else is copy trading. That is how you're going to have success here with the copy trading because, like I said, there's other wallets that I'm copy trading and I don't have these issues at all. This issue is isolated to this wallet specifically, and that is because so many people are trying to copy trade it. Because this copy trading bot technology does work, guys. As you can see proof right here that this was from a few days ago from a new wallet that I found and that I started copy trading that I got a 600% profit on. That's a 6x return in about 30 minutes. It was a smooth process from buy to sell. This actually had a 40 or 50% slippage as well on here and no issues at all. It copied the trader smooth from buy to sell, and I was able to snag the same profit that they did. So that's really what we're going to have to do moving forward is find wallets that nobody is copy trading and copy trade those wallets. I showed you guys the process to do that. That process is easy to do and streamlined if you use a combination of Dex Screener and Zelfie Guru to scan the wallets. You save a lot of time to be able to do that, guys. And you can find gems like this. They are out there and it does work. It's just unfortunately we ran into the issue here the other day and it wasn't able to come through. But here's an example, guys, of what I was talking about, how this was when we bought the other day with the copy trade. Now, if we just had the copy trade settings on buy only, we would have bought the tokens here and not sold them real quick on the pump and dump, because this volume literally is from all of us, guys. This is how crazy this is. Okay, these wicks are literally everybody copy trading that same wallet that I shared in the video. We really are swinging markets. It's crazy, guys. So I had no idea that it was going to be like that. What we can do, like I said, is just initiate the buy orders, disable the sell orders for the wallet, wait a couple days, see how the coins do, and then sell at the top. You can set it up directly in the Trojan Trading Bot to sell at a limit order. So if you find a price range that works for you, you can sell it, or just wait and see and sell it directly when it hits a peak. So I think that's something I'm going to test out the next couple days, because I honestly think that's the only way we're going to be able to continue to copy trade this wallet without having those issues where we get pumped and dumped on and there's just too many people piling in. So guys, I will continue to monitor this and continue to analyze the results that we get each and every day, and I will come back and report to you guys and share with you what I find and what tweaks we are making in the trading strategy, what tweaks we're making with the trading bots right now. Like I said, right now I found the sweet spot of the slippage at around 30%, but I do recommend that you guys try things on your own and kind of do a trial and error on your own and see what's working for you, what's not working for you, and test it out yourself with small amounts first to make sure you can perfect the strategy. And once you have a sound strategy and the bot's working well, then go ahead and up the value that you're trading, because you'll feel more comfortable that way. So just a few thoughts and tricks here to make this a profitable experience for everybody. I really want everybody to make a ton of money with the copy trading here, and I think we will. There's just going to be a little bit of a learning curve and a little bit of growing pains as we go through this process. And if you stick with it and have patience, this will be a successful journey for everybody, and we will continue to find these great wallets and great gems and make these great trades. So guys, that's all I had to share today. Like I said, I'll continue to monitor this situation and continue to share any updates or information I have with you guys. Thank you to all my new and old subscribers. You guys are amazing, and I really appreciate all the support that you guys are showing on the channel. I really want to provide the best content to teach you guys how to do this and be profitable traders in the long run. And nothing makes me happy more than seeing you guys succeed. So I will do my best to continue to provide you guys with the best information possible. If you guys like that, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe for more, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing about this wallet situation. What is your strategy with it? I'll be interested to hear about it. And until the next time we will talk again, take care and take charge. Creative Crypto out.